morning, ladies and gentlemen, and everyone beyond. How is everybody today? I'm here at the Speedco, getting Wilma's oil changed. There's Wilma. We're just starting work on her. Sorry for any wind noise I get. It's a little windy out here. I'm here at Walcott, Iowa, Speedco. Got my physical done this morning and passed my physical. Got a year. Got to do it again for another year. So that's good. Yeah, took all day yesterday off. I got here yesterday about 5 o'clock in the morning and took the whole day off. Just sat around, relaxed. Got a good night's sleep. Went in and got my physical this morning when he opened up, and no problems. So now we get to get the service done, and I'll probably leave here around 3 this afternoon. My 34-hour break will be up, and hammer down for Boise. So that's what I'm up to. Yeah, I want to make sure my blood pressure was down low enough to get the physical done. So I took the day off and relaxed. Got this morning before I ate or did anything. Got that done. So blood pressure was at 130 over 82, which was pretty good. So all's well. Good for another year. So I will catch up with you folks later. Bye for now. Love y'all. Be safe. Bye.